Today we are repairing this BMW 7 Series G12. We have temperature sensor DC. The owner mentioned that the car autonomy was getting lower and lower, so we drove it on the road to test it. The voltage difference between the battery cells is relatively big. There is around 0.3 volts, 0.36. Before checking the high voltage system, we need to disconnect the maintenance switch first, this one in blue-green. The instrument cluster shows that the high voltage power system is turned off. Now this is the interlock switch on the high voltage battery plug. We pulled it out, then remove the coolant. Only now we can remove the battery. We take the battery off. We open the battery top cover. Now measure the capacity of the battery. We found out that its capacity is relatively low. The normal range is 26 ampere hour. There is 11.8 and 11.6, and this one is 13.8 and 14. All those values are too low, so we need to replace the battery. Now we test this using battery's capacity. The capacity of this battery is 22.6 ampere hour. It's good enough. Now we put the battery into the car. Test it. Now the full electric autonomy is about 23 km, much closer to a brand new car.